everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we got a real treat, man. Gorgeous 1957 Chevrolet 3100, just over 600 miles on a complete frame-off, nut and bolt restoration. Gorgeous truck, man. I absolutely love this thing, guys. Big fan of this body style. I love the body lines on these things. I love the black. It's finished in just gorgeous tuxedo black. Really nicely done. Looks to me, we bought this car from a 70-year-old man out of South Carolina. It looks like he started this restoration in 2015 and completed it around 2020. So it's a very fresh build, really nicely done. You're looking for a killer truck, you are going to love this thing. Matter of fact, I'm half tempting not selling this thing. My son just sold my 66 pickup, and man, I really like this one. Love the interior as we walk around. This truck's a work of art, man. A lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of effort put in this truck. Gorgeous body lines. You can see it's got the aftermarket headlights. There's really not a whole lot that I can really nitpick on this truck. The paint's slick. I didn't like the grill he had, so that's a brand new grill. It's got the painted bumper on it. There's a little mark over here. I'll show you. Looks like we touched something there. But boy, other than that, you're just nitpicking. It is just slick. Brand new 18 and 20 inch chrome American Racing torque thrust all the way around it. Like I say, just slick paint, billet trim everywhere you look. All new glass. Fit and finish on the truck is excellent. You can see it's got the third brake light in there. Of course, it's got an all new oak bed with the stainless strips. You can see they've also relocated the fuel tank into the bed. I love these fat fender trucks, man. Very nicely done. Custom roll pan here on the back, LED tail lights. That's just a little dust, guys. If you see that, it's just a little dust my guys missed. Same thing. Just missed a little dust on it. Look at how that truck sits. Just a little rake to it. Man, I love it. Brand new rubber all the way around it. Killer, killer truck. I actually drove this truck. We drove it back to my hauler. So I had it on the expressway. Truck hits the road great. Plenty of power. A lot of fun to drive. Nice and tight. Air blows cold. Four-wheel disc brakes. Beautiful, beautiful truck, man. It's got a Mustang II front suspension on it with a with rack and pinion steering. This is a 383 stroker engine in it. It's got Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, polished intake. You can see it's got a set of coated headers on it. Does have a billet front runner system with air, power rack and pinion steering, CPP 4-wheel disc brakes, cold case aluminum radiator. It's a 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission. $745 for the billet hinges, guys. It is slick. Love the custom air cleaner he's got on it. I love how plain he's got the outside of this truck. I mean, I just love it. I mean, it's just slick. This truck screams my name. Slotted and drilled rotors on the front. Pretty truck right there. Again, all new billet. These are gorgeous. New glass, new door handles. So the door seams are nice and clean. Things popping off there. All custom. I mean, this is all. Look at the headliner. I mean, this is a beautiful interior in this truck. TMI seats, custom full-length center console, chrome tilt column with a billet steering wheel. I think I said this, but it's a 700R4 automatic overdrive. Super cool truck. And if you look at it, he's got the ostrich stitch, what do you call it, up there in the headliner. He's got that in the stripe, which I just thought was cool. Dakota digital dash. Sorry, again, that's dust if you're seeing that, guys. Sorry, it's really dusty out here. It's got one of those super fancy radios, all push button. I am not. It is way beyond me. I think this thing even has a backup camera. Power windows are in here. Your headlights and stuff like this is in this little center switch here that slides back. I think I told you it's got a Mustang II front suspension on it. It has a 4-link rear suspension with a 373 posi rear gear. Oh, you know, the other thing is I have all the paperwork too, all the receipts and stuff like that. Those go with the truck. I apologize. Normally I post. I'll put a picture of them on there so you see them. Killer truck, man. And like I said, I've driven this thing. I probably put, I'm gonna say 15 miles on it, and it really hit the road really nice. So I had it at, 65, 70 miles an hour. These come off if you don't like them, but it just protects your step there, because people want to step on them. See how nice they finished this in here? Seats are comfortable. Oh, I forgot to tell you, he smoothed the dash. He also smoothed the firewall in there as well. I think in his notes here, said he's got 18 different mods that he did to the truck. And all new glass. I mean, it's just a sweetheart. You just kick it around, your air blows cold. Truck runs out great. I love the front of that thing, man. Look at that truck. It's just custom headlights, power windows. 642 miles. All your gauges work. You can see it's holding great oil pressure. Fit on that truck is really nice. Hit your brakes again, Nathan. So the backup light there works. Not backup lights. There's no backup lights on the truck. It's a 57. The third brake light works. Good sounding dual exhaust system on it. Nathan showing you power windows all work. This you'll have to get schooled on. It does work. We got it to come on. I think there's a backup camera. I think there's nav. Where's that button that you? Oh, there's a remote in here for it too. But we just don't know enough about that stuff. It's hard for me. I'm not a radio guy whatsoever. Electric wiper kit on it. Very cool front headlights. Those look killer at night. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us, guys. Look at that thing, man. Paint is just slick as can be. Have a great day, guys.